This neon title intro template will work with Premiere Pro 2019 or above version. Let me show you how to edit and use this template. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Open Essential Graphics panel. Click on this icon to install Motion Graphics template. Here template is installed. Place it on the timeline. Change title here. Here you can change title font. Scale and position title from here. Here you can change title color. Change tagline text here. Here you can change tagline font. Rotate tagline from here. Adjust tagline position and scale here. Here you can change tagline color. Adjust glow amount from here. That's it. Thanks for watching.